What's up guys, we're near the end of iOS 11 and hopefully that means we don't have to put up with bugs like this anymore, so check this out. You think you can get into your phone? Wrong. In this video, I'll be showing you a couple of new bugs that completely immobilize the phone and you can't use it, you can't do anything until you physically hard reset it. There's a couple different versions, so actually I'll demo this one real quick. Perfectly working iPhone, let me turn the brightness up here. This is on 11.4 and I'm gonna do one thing real quick and it's gonna be frozen, so check this out. And boom, just like that, within a second, just instantly, it is frozen, completely frozen. You can't do anything. You can lock the phone, unlock it, and it's exactly where it was. It doesn't even lock with the passcode anymore. That's funny. So completely immobilized. This one, on the other hand, let me show you this one. So nothing going on the lock screen. If I go into the control center and then open something up, and then I try to go home, let's see, you're gonna log in and there will be absolutely nothing. All of your stuff is gone. And now let's ask Siri, hey, open up settings. Check that out. Hey, settings is completely dark now. I think Apple took dark mode a little too far. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do these bugs. They're super fun to play as a harmless prank, as long as you help your friend or whoever you do them to right away to fix it, because it can be annoying. This one, you literally cannot turn your device off. You will never get the prompt. You have to physically hard reset your device, and otherwise it won't do anything. It'll just sit here forever. I left it overnight, same place. You just tap the screen and still frozen. This one though, you can get the shutdown prompt, so that one helps. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it. I didn't find these were found by Sam the Breadman on Twitter. I'll leave a link to even more bugs that he's showing down below in the description. Honestly, I don't know how he finds these, but he does, so let's check them out. These are so entertaining. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and reset these just so I can show you the bug. Again, on this one, you can't actually get to the shutdown menu, so you have to force reset the actual phone. This one, you can get the little menu to come up, so I will do that here and turn it off. This is the latest beta. It does work all the way down to 11.3, 11.2, the earliest I've tested it, and yes, it does still work. So this one, you do need access into the phone to do. It's incredibly simple. Actually, I feel like you can still do it from the lock screen. I'm gonna try it first. So just go into the Spotlight search and then search up anything, for example, freeze, like Sam the Breadman did originally. Then you're gonna 3D touch on this and click cancel right away. And that one didn't work. And yeah, oh, it does work from the lock screen. Look at that. So the phone is completely frozen. You basically 3D touch and then click cancel at the same time. Instantly freezes it, and you get into the very same little glitch here. This one looks a lot cooler, actually. I like that. So there's that one. I'll show it to you again in a second here, but this next one is the really funny one because you just have no idea what's going on. Everything is gone. First off, you can't even unlock your device. From the lock screen, slide up as if you're gonna unlock it, but click on emergency. Then dial 1 and then call. So from here, we're gonna slide the screen up, click contacts and keep sliding up while you press the power button. And this is what's gonna happen. Your screen's gonna go dark. When you tap it, thus you have entered the void. So there's absolutely nothing on your display. You still got the status bar, but if you try and slide up, it will not work. You cannot get it to register at all. It still responds normally like an iPhone. You feel the vibration, but it will not unlock. So the only way to actually get into your lock screen from here or to your home screen is to lock it again and then slide from the control center, jump into one of these apps and then slide up. So suddenly you can jump in, but getting in the phone doesn't help at all as you're still stuck in the void here. There are no apps, everything is missing. You can lock your device and do the same thing over, but still it's all gonna be gone. So this one's definitely more of a prank. I'm gonna try it again. Hey, Siri, open settings. And if she tries to open an app, as you can see, it's literally just black. And if you go back, still in the void. So yeah, there it is. Very simple stuff, guys. That is how to glitch your phone out, completely freeze it. It's definitely more of a prank. Nobody's gonna encounter this in their day-to-day, that's for sure. You have to do things in a very particular manner, but still very entertaining. And once again, let's run through it very quick. So I restarted this one from the lock screen. You don't have to be in the phone, but in Spotlight search, just search for anything. And on one of the results, go ahead and 3D touch it and click cancel at the same time. Your phone will immediately then freeze and I've got this bug going. So on this one, you don't need to unlock the phone. Just go to emergency, click 1, dial, and then slide this up, click contacts, keep sliding up and press power. And your screen should go black like that. When you go to unlock it, again, the void is here. It has come to claim you. So you are stuck. All right, guys, there it is. Hope you enjoyed this one. Little tiny video I wanted to share with you. Super entertaining. I love these kind of things. Surprised that these are working in the latest version of 11.4 and 11.4.1. So use them wisely. Peace.